Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. Today we're discussing a game-changing strategy for small businesses, email marketing. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your approach, email marketing can be a powerful tool to connect with your audience and drive sales. Why does email marketing matter? Unlike social media or paid ads, email gives you direct access to your customers' inboxes. It's personal, direct, and incredibly effective. Imagine this. For every dollar you spend on email marketing, you could see an average return of $38. That's huge, especially for small businesses looking to grow. But it's not just about sales. Email marketing allows you to build real relationships with your customers. By sending personalized and valuable content, you can keep your brand top of mind and encourage repeat business. Today, I'll share some essential strategies to help you create a successful email marketing plan. First up, let's talk about unsolicited emails, also known as spam. Sending emails to people who haven't given you permission isn't just annoying, it can damage your brand's reputation. People might see your business as untrustworthy, and that's a label no one wants. To avoid this, always get consent before adding someone to your email list. It's not only about building trust, it's also about following the law. Using practices like double opt-ins ensures that the people on your list actually want to hear from you. This leads to higher engagement and helps keep your brand's reputation intact. Next, let's talk about frequency. How often should you send emails? Consistency is key here. Too many emails can overwhelm your subscribers, but too few can make them forget about you. A good rule of thumb is to send 1 to 4 emails a month. This keeps your brand visible without being overbearing. To avoid fatigue, segment your audience. Tailor your emails to what your subscribers actually want to see, and don't be afraid to ask for feedback on how often they'd like to hear from you. Managing these preferences is crucial for maintaining a healthy email list. Personalization is a game changer in email marketing. It's more than just using someone's name in the subject line. It's about sending content that really speaks to their interests and needs. Personalized emails see higher open rates, better engagement, and more sales. For example, sending a birthday discount makes your customers feel special, while abandoned cart reminders can nudge them to complete a purchase they might have forgotten about. These little touches can make a big difference in building customer loyalty. Finally, let's talk about the content itself. To make your emails stand out, focus on value, relevance, and clarity. Your content should offer something valuable, like tips or exclusive offers, and it should be tailored to what your subscribers care about. Your subject line is your first impression, so make it count. Use urgency or curiosity to encourage opens. And don't forget your call to action. It should be clear and compelling, guiding your readers to take the next step. So to wrap up, email marketing is more than just sending messages. It's about building relationships, providing value, and driving results. Effective email marketing requires careful planning and respect for your audience's preferences. First, avoid unsolicited emails to protect your brand's reputation and maintain customer trust. Always obtain consent and stay compliant with regulations. Next, establish a consistent email schedule that balances regular engagement with avoiding subscriber fatigue. Tailor your content through audience segmentation and personalization to enhance relevance and drive higher conversions. Ensure your emails are designed with clarity, value, and a strong call to action, while also being visually appealing and mobile friendly. Finally, knowing your target audience and embracing creativity in your campaigns will help you stand out and foster long-term relationships with your subscribers. By following these strategies, you can build a successful email marketing campaign that effectively engages your audience and drives results. If you're ready to take your email marketing to the next level, start implementing these strategies today. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to TrueHost Academy for more tips and tricks to grow your business. See you next time.